Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a loop basket walk around. Knowing how to loop basket already would be really helpful. Link in the description below. Assuming you've got one of those ready, you're going to be okay to do one of these. It goes 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we start off with the standard entry to a loop basket. We go back, we loop, and then actually instead of just twisting the lady out, we keep the lady walking backwards as the guy walks forwards. You could do the walk as long as you like. We're actually only going to do one count because then when we release with the left hand, pull with the right, it rolls the lady out back to where she began, because after only one count of walking, you'll find that the roll out will send the lady back where she started, and then it's just whirl it to ending and catch. So if we go to the other side, we'll show you the other view and we'll talk numbers. So we go back, 1, loop, 2, walking 3, rolling 4, preparation 5, return spin 6 and catch 7. Let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, loop basket, walk around. We go a back, loop, walk, roll, prep, return spin and catch. That's it, nice simple one, really easy to use out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you, keep dancing.